Okay, good morning. Okay, this is Coach Kiko. And I just took the time para gumawa nitong video to share to you while waiting for my water. Nagpa-refill ako ng tubig. I'm here in Cebu. Yeah, sa water refilling station. Anyway, I'd like to talk to you about paano ba magko-convince. How do we convince people? Okay, I know in one of my blogs, sinabi ko na in this leverage marketing industry or leveraging industry, ang trabaho talaga natin is to inform but not to convince, Yun lang talaga. Pero there are times that we are being confronted, So parang may mga tao pa rin na gusto natin na at least talagang i-share itong program ito, and other than informing them, gusto natin ma-convince sila because we saw something na very true para sa tingin natin and talaga namang totoo, So yun, basically, how do I convince? Yun ang mga sinasabi ng iba. So, ginawa na raw nila lahat, ang dami na nila nakausap, mga kaibigan, mga relatives, but hindi sila makakonvince. Okay, ang lagi ko lang pong sinasabi, in my probably 25 years experience in the field of sales, gaano ka ba kakumbinsido? Okay? So, yun ang una kong tanong because for you to be able to convince other people, you need to be convinced yourself, diba? Yun ang una kong tanong palagi. And yun ang gusto kong ibato sa inyo, yun ang gusto kong ipa-assignment sa inyo. Kung gusto mo makakumbinsi ng ibang tao, kumbinsin mo muna yung sarili mo. Yun po yan. Kasi the moment that you are 101% convinced, it is so easy to convince people. Ganyan lang po yan, Because they feel it, Yun yung sinasabi ko, hindi kailangan na marami kang sinasabi, hindi kailangan sa ulado mo yung script, hindi kailangan sa ulado mo yung product details or benefits, etc. Ang pinaka-importante, how convinced are you dito sa ginagawa mo? So, ganun po. Kasi ang mga tao kasi, pinapakiramdaman ka nila. So, people join people. They are not joining because of napakaganda ng kumpanya. Yes, it's a factor, Or napakaganda ng product if you're selling a product. Pero people decide to join or to buy your products because of you. Okay? Yan po, people join people they like. People buy from people they like. So ngayon, if you are so convinced sa yung ginagawa, nafe-feel nila yun. Okay, yun nga sinasabi ko, will you join someone who doesn't know what he's doing? Okay? So, talagang you have to make your assignment. You have to convince yourself na you're so convinced up to death, Tipong ikakamatay mo, nobody can parang invalidate, walang pwede magsabing mali ka, You are so convinced that when people talk to you, nahahawa mo sila. Ganun dapat yung level of convincement mo, kung gaano ka ka-convince. Dapat sobrang convinced ka na pag nakausap ka nila, parang, wow, ano nangyari sa tao na to? Okay, so wala akong kinaibahan niya sa pagiging witness, So, you should be a good witness of this program na dinadala mo. Para pag nakita ka nila, wow, kung masasabi nila, I want to be a part of this. Gusto ko, and I want to join your group. I want to partner with you kasi grabe yung pagka-convince mo, grabe yung conviction mo dyan sa ginagawa mo. Yun po. So, ako po, I really don't find that it's so hard to convince people because ang una ko pong ginagawa, kinukumbinsi ko yung sarili ko. So, how do I convince myself is another story. Paano ba? Okay, of course, you research, you study, you talk to people, take it deeper. Kaya, yun po lagi yung sinasabi. Especially mga bagong nagme-members po sa atin. Take this thing deeper. Hindi lang po ito, sumali ka, nag-join ka, then that's it. Tapos. Then you start sharing the program, informing people about it. Tapos. No. Pagpasok mo, your next assignment is to take it really deeper. Aralin mo lahat. Pag-aralan mo maigi. Convince yourself more. Because you can never convince anybody if you yourself hindi ka convinced. So, yun palagi ang tatanong mo. How convinced are you? Okay? So, yun po. Yun ang masasabi ko. And kung gusto mo talaga makakonvince ng tao, ikaw muna. Yung sarili mo muna. Convincehin mo. Okay? Maraming salamat po. This is Kiko. Kiko of 1X Dream Team Philippines. Good morning, everyone.